So guys, here are my ingredients. I have the grape nuts, heavy whipping cream, I have my vanilla, sweet condensed milk, salt to taste, and also here's my mixer, and I'd forget to display my 1% low-fat milk. Growing up in Jamaica, this was my favorite ice cream and still is, and I'm very excited to see the results of how this ice cream will turn out. Without further delay, let's go and make this grape nut ice cream. I believe always in clean hands. So guys, I went ahead, I washed my hands, and here I'm about to start, and I have here my whipping cream. In this box it's measure 1 pint, and you know that 1 pint measure to 2 cups. So here I'm using 4 cups of whipping cream. Guys, I'm doing this so my ice cream can be extra rich. So it's up to you if you want to go ahead and use 1 pint, which equals to 2 cups. It's not a big deal. So guys, now I'm just gonna go ahead, grab my mixer, and get this heavy cream whipped. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this until it becomes a bit fluffy. So guys, this is how my whipping cream look after I'm done whipping it. Yes, and at this point I'm adding, just a quarter of the condensed milk. I don't like sweet stuff, so I won't be looking for the sweet ice cream. So I just went ahead and add just quarter of the can of the condensed milk, and I'm just gonna mix this together. After this, I went ahead and I add just half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I'm just folding all that in. So guys, after I'm done with this, I went ahead and add my grape nut, and this is one of my favorite parts. Yes, I did enjoy this part because I get to choose the amount of grape nut I wanted in my ice cream. Guys, I'm a grape nut lover, so this part I would say it is really up to you. If you choose to put like a teaspoon, a tablespoon, 1 cup, it's your choice. As for me guys, I went ahead and I added 1 cup. Guys, unfortunately I'd lost the clip where I added the 1% milk, but here is everything after I'm done with adding all my ingredients. I went ahead and add it to this bowl that I have here. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and use this foil wrap just to cover my container and add this ice cream mix to the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, and then after that you all will see how my ice cream turned out. I am so excited guys, and I cannot wait to taste. So guys, see you in 4 to 6 hours. Stay tuned. So guys, time is up, and here is my container. I just took it from the freezer, and now we're gonna witness the turnout of my grape nut ice cream for the first time making for myself and my family. So I'm very excited to see the texture and how this will taste. And yes, I love how it looks. Really look like grape nut ice cream. I cannot wait to taste. So guys, look at that. Wow. Guys, I must honestly confess, my family and I, we could not get enough. I mean, we ate off the ice cream in 1 day. My husband, my children, they could not get enough. The ice cream tastes so good. It reminds me of Devon House ice cream in Jamaica. The ice cream came out so creamy and nice. It's not even sweet. And that's what we love so much about it. It's perfect. Guys, we will never buy ice cream again. Remember to share, like, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.